Good morning, students. Today experiment is electromechanical overcurrent relay.
From positive to here, okay? From trip input to trip. Next is processor. First we need to set the output current source setting control to minimum position. Okay, we need to first starting minimum position it should be. Next switch on the main supply. Put the selector switch to set position. Okay, we need to set the position. If we set for current of 2 amps, then we need to set more than 2 amps. Okay, in this position the relay PSM and TSM can be set. Ignore the movement of the relay disc in this position. We need to set PSM and TSM. Next, set the required plug setting and time setting. First, we will set PSM as 1 and next time setting 1. Okay. For next reading, we will take TSM as 0.8 and PSM as 2. Set the load current by varying the auto transformer. Note down the current. If we set 2 amps, then we need to give the fault current like 2.5, 3.5, and we need to note down the time. Okay. Put the selector switch off position, wait for the disc to reach its starting position. Put the selector switch to start position. The relay and the timer get activated and relay on indicator glows. When the rotating disc makes contact with the trip circuit, the trip indicator glows and relay on indicator turns off. And supply to the current source also cut off to make current 0. The timer indicates the time taken for the operation. This timer in this diagram, here time interval. Okay, we need to note down the operation time. Okay, and we need to multiply TSM for that. Repeat steps 4 to 9 for different load currents without changing PSM and TSM. For each load current, note down the relay operating time. Okay, observe time into TSM value is operating time. For example, if we got observe time 15 into TSM, if we have taken TSM as 1, then 15 into 1. If we have taken TSM as 0.8, then 15 into 0.8. That is the operating time. The timer has auto reset facility. Okay, we need to reset the relay and flag setting. Okay, to study the effect of TMS, repeat the above procedure for different values of TMS. Holding the load current and TSM at a particular value, observe the operating time value for a different plug setting. We can change the plug setting also, PSM value. Next, plot the operating characteristics of the relay with multiples of PSM along with x-axis and time operation along y-axis. Okay, x-axis we consider PSM and y-axis time. For different TMS, mark the IDMT, operating and dead zone. I don't know.
Is 1. This is a TSM. TSM is 1 I have set. Okay. Next is set. Okay. I will set for more than 2. Okay, 2.5. Okay, after setting you need to make 0 position. Okay, 0 position. Next, flag reset. Okay, next this one you need to reset and start. Okay, the disc will be rotating. You can observe that. Now you got 15.5 15.04, that is observed time. Okay, what you got 15.04 is observed time. You need to multiply TSM value 15.04 into 1. Okay, you will get 15.04 only. Come back to 0 position and reset this one and reset this one also. Okay, flag reset. Next you set for this current is 2 only. I have considered now PSM 1. I will set for TSM 0.8. Okay, TSM I am taking 0.8. Now it is set for 0.8. PSM 1 and set current is 2. Okay, I have taken 2.7 now. Okay, flag reset. Okay, this one also you need to reset and start. For TSM 0.8 you got, we have set current is 2.7. okay, we are giving fault current is 2.7. what we got observed time is 8.7. 8.7 into 0.8, that is what operating time. Okay,
this one also reset. Then next I will set TSM 1. TSM 1 and again PSM is PSM 2. I will take PSM 2 and again set current also 2. I will apply above 2. Set current is 2 amps. So PSM is 2 amps. 2 into 2 4 amps. So I will apply above 4 amps. Okay, this is the set position and again I will set above 4 amps. I will set 4.5 amps and again go to 0 and again this one reset and flag also reset. Then I will start. Your trip time is 3.5. 3.5 into your TSM is 1. 3.5 into 1. You calculate the TS. You calculate the time 3.5 into 1. Okay. Then I will take 0, 0 and this one also 0. Next I will set I will set 0.8. I will set 0.8. TSM is 0.8 and again PSM is 2. Set current is 2. I will set how much? Same again. I will set 4.5. 4.5 is set current. Then 0.
fault current.
0. Reset and again this one also 0. I will start. set current is 2, PSM is 2, 2 into 2, 4 amps. I will set fault current is above 4 amps. I will set 4.5 amps is your fault current. I will start. And again your trip time is 2.716. 2.716 into 0.8. Okay, this is the 0, 0. And again next reading I will set 5.5. Okay. Five 5.6. Fault current is 5.6. You go to same procedure, reset and flag also reset. Then I will start. Fault current is 5.6. Your trip time is 2.229. Your TSM is 0.8. Okay. Then I will reset. Then I will next reading. I will back to reduce the dimmer start. This is the 0 position. Okay, this is the 0. Switch off your totally relay.